I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integrations. Now choose Trigger. Fluent Support. Now copy the webhook URL and fetch the data. Now go to the Fluent Support dashboard. Navigate to the workflows. Add new workflow. Give here a meaningful workflow name. Choose workflow type. Continue. Choose workflow trigger. Choose an action trigger outgoing webhook. Now paste the webhook URL and give the action title. Save it. Now publish the workflow. Navigate to the ticket. Create a ticket to fetch the data. Here you can see the data has been fetched successfully. Set action. Search and select SureCart for action. Here give the meaningful integration name as you want. Here need the app API key for authorization. To get API key, please visit the SureCart. Click the new API key. Give the meaningful token name, then click Create. Now copy the token and paste the authorization page. Now click Authorize. Authorization is successfully done. Click Next. Select the action. Now map the field. Here is the conditional logic. You can use it if you want. If the condition matches, then the data will be sent. Click Next. Now save the integrations. Now go to SureCart settings and select the connection. Now copy the token and paste it here, then click Save. Go to Fluent Support and create a ticket. Ticket created successfully. Also, go to SureCart and check the customer is listed or not. Here is the customer coming into the SureCart form Bit Integrations plugin. Thanks for watching.